99% of what they teach in school is completely useless, but what I'm going to teach you in this video, how to become a millionaire with just $5 a day, is all you need to know. This 100% should be taught in schools. If you ever want to become a millionaire, you have to know what is in this video. Alright, so like I said, 99% of what you learned in schools was completely useless. You don't need to know how to write in cursive anymore, you don't need to know how to use MLO format, and you don't need to know the square root of 64. What they should be teaching in schools is compound interest. Compound interest, like Albert Einstein said, is the eighth wonder of the world, and I'll show you in this video how you can use compound interest to become a millionaire. So before we go over how you become a millionaire on just $5 a day, let's go over how you don't do it. So if you're just getting into, saving some of your money, one of the most common myths that you will hear is just save your money. Save all of it, put in a savings account, and eventually by the time you retire, you'll be a millionaire. And unfortunately, that's just a complete lie. You cannot save your way to millionaire status, which I'll show you on the board right here. So like I said, you can't save your way to millionaire status. If you put $5 a day in a savings account from your birth to 100 years, if somehow your parents were putting away $5 every single day for you and you live to be 100 and you continue that every single day, you put $5 in your savings account, you'd have a little over $182,000 by the time you're reached 100 years old. So you can see you won't be a millionaire from that. Saving your money is just not the way to go. Also, we have interest rates, so this is another way that it's going to decrease your money. So interest rates in a savings account do not keep up with inflation. So the 2018 inflation rate in America was 2.4%. The average checking account had a 0.05% interest rate. Look at that. So if you had your money in a checking account, you'd be getting 0.05% interest compared to the inflation rate of 2.4% in 2018. So what that means, if you had $10,000 in 2017, that would be equal to $10,240 in 2018. You get that because the inflation rate goes up. So what $10,000 is equal to in 2017 is equal to that in 2018. Now here's another scenario. If you had that $10,000 and you had it in a savings account in 2017, over the course of the year, because you have the 0.05% interest rate in your checking account, you would now have $10,050 in 2018. What that means is you just lost $190 of buying power because inflation went up much higher than the average checking account interest rate. Savings account guarantee you lose money. You cannot save your way to millionaire status. All right, so what is the solution to this problem? I'm gonna tell you in this video. I'm gonna tell you how $5 a day can make you a millionaire. All I ask is that you subscribe, you like, and you share this video because this is incredibly valuable information that everyone needs to know. All right, so finally we get to the secret sauce. This is how you do it. This is how you become a millionaire on just $5 a day. And all I'm going to charge you, you don't have to buy a course. All you have to do is subscribe and like this video. It's all you have to do, and I gave you this information for free. So let's go over how you become a millionaire with $5 a day. So what you're going to be doing is set aside $5 each and every single day, okay? And at the end of the month, you will have $150 saved up. Setting aside $5 a day is not that hard. The majority of people I talk to go to Starbucks literally every single day and buy a Frappuccino or whatever for more than $5 a day. So you can set aside $5 every single day. At the end of the month, you'll have $150 saved up. Now, what you're going to do with that money, you're not going to be putting it in a savings account. That's not what we're going to be doing. We're going to take that money and we're going to be investing in a diversified portfolio of blue chip stocks and investment grade bonds. So if you don't know, blue chip stocks are top stocks that have been around for a long time. They're not going to go anywhere. They're not some new stupid company that's going to go away, get bought out or whatever, say like, I don't know, Snapchat, something like that. These are good stocks that have been around for a long time, and you can definitely invest in these. So you're going to be taking that $150 and you're going to be investing it in both the blue chip stocks, which have a 10% return over the past 100 years. They have had a 10% on average return, and investment grade bonds, which are high-end bonds, which have a 6% return over the past 100 years. Now you may be asking, why don't you just put all the money in the blue chip stocks since they have 10% return on average and compared to the 6%. And the real reason is you just want to diversify. You don't want to have all your money in one type of thing. So you want to do both blue chip stocks and investment grade bonds. Now the safe bet would be to put 50% in the stocks and 50% in the bonds. I don't do that. I'm a wild child. I live life on the edge. So I have about 70% in the blue chip stocks and 30% in the investment grade bonds, but you can do it however you want. So you're going to be doing this for 50 years. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. If you wanted that, this is the wrong video. You definitely should check out one of the other videos. We'll lie to you how you can get, $1 million in just 2 days. This is the wrong video for that. So you're gonna have to be doing this for 50 years, but after 50 years of putting the $5 away every single day to have $150 and then putting it in the blue chips and the bonds, you'll have $1,032,786.28 after 50 years, and you just became a millionaire on just $5 a day. So there you have it, with just $5 a day, with the magic of compound interest, with the 10% returns on the stocks, the 6% returns on the investment grade bonds on average. That's what you'll get. You'll become a millionaire. Now, I know you may be thinking, I don't have $5 a day. I can't put $5 away every single day. Now, I can't say this for everyone. Maybe there are people out there, maybe you're $100,000 in debt. If that's the case, you should be putting all your money to paying off your debt first. But for the majority of people, they can do this. Even if they think they can't, the majority of people are wasting this amount of money every single day at Starbucks. They're going to McDonald's, they're supersizing their meals, they're buying, app purchases on their iPhone. Whatever they are doing, they're wasting at least $5 every single day. And in many cases, a lot more money than that. I know personally, I'm getting a little hefty myself, so I started cutting back. I'm now doing intermittent fasting. I just eat breakfast and lunch, and I no longer eat dinner, and I'm saving about $10 a day. $10 that I'm saving every single day that I can put into my investment portfolio. So everyone, well, maybe not everyone, but almost everyone can do this. They can be putting away $5 a day if you look at your expenses and you cut back on things you don't actually need. And you can put this money towards something that is actually very helpful to you, which will make you, a millionaire over 50 years. Now, if you want to become a millionaire faster than 50 years, then you can be putting more money. Potentially, you could be putting $10 away instead of $5, and you can get there way faster if you're doubling the amount of money that you are saving to be putting into the investment portfolio every single day. So there you go, folks. That is how you become a millionaire on just $5 a day. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure and like, be sure and subscribe, be sure and share it with everyone you know so they can learn this information as well. Thanks everyone for watching. We will have more great videos on stocks, on investment grade bonds as well. So be sure and subscribe so you don't miss those videos. Thanks everyone, and have a fantastic day.